Okay guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be replacing a French drain. I put this in a while back and I may have messed it up. Anyway, it's not flowing right, so we're going to check it out. Looks like the pipe is raised up somehow to the foundation, but anyway, if you guys could see that. So I'm going to take it all out and do it again. Okay, here's what I was talking about. Check this out. The pipe is about 3 inches above the footer, so no wonder that's not working. Let's go on out through here a minute and see what's going on. Pulled it out of the ground right here by mistake. The pipe's level with the top of that footer, which that would probably work right there. That ain't the way it's supposed to be. Go down here now. I think I'm going to couple this up right here. Okay, just wanted to show you a little bit how this drain turned out. We just had a duck grounder rain just a while ago, and anyway, it's working good. And by the way, I forgot to set the camera or turn the camera on the tripod when I was actually doing this work, but I guess I'll learn. Anyway, we run this gutter down into the downspout right here. Got rid of that water, and it all comes out over there at that dirt pile. It goes down a ditch, down the drain towards the highway. So that wraps it up. The rest of the little project. We'll see you next time.